Hey guys, welcome to day 1 of learning calligraphy in 20 days. Before we start, you will need a calligraphy pen, which is basically a fountain pen with a stub nib. You can get it easily anywhere or even on the internet. Before we start, I want you to ink up your pen and just make curves like these. This might seem insignificant, but this is very important to ensure good flow of ink from your pen. This also enables you to get some experience with holding your pen and using it. Don't apply too much pressure on the pen. Just make sure that you have nice and smooth curves, just like this. You should fill at least 3 to 4 pages doing this. Now, let's move on to the fundamentals of this type of calligraphy. So this type of calligraphy basically has a few fundamental lines. The first one is the small I, which looks somewhat like this. The second one is the L, which looks like this. Then we have C, which looks like this, and the fourth and the last one is O. So all other letters are derived from these basic lines. Before we move on, we should practice these lines multiple times in order to have a nice flow. Okay, so first let's start with the I. So for the I, the key is to start in these two middle lines. Just below the line, you keep the flat end of your pen, move it a bit up, and then tilt it to about 22.5 degrees, bring it down, and then up with the flat edge again, just like this. You just need to do the same thing for L. The difference would be you will have to start from the top line. So somewhat like this. Okay. O and C are pretty similar. So for C, you will start with the flat end, keep it a little above the center of these two lines, somewhat here. Move your pen slowly, make sure that it stays between the line. When you come here, you make the pen flat again, so like this, and then tilt it a bit. Yes, make sure that these two lines are aligned. Okay, and you do the same thing basically with the O, but you don't stop here, you continue moving your pen. So O would be somewhat like this. Yeah, now let's practice it a few times. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all for this lesson. We'll continue with all other letters in the next session. Thank you.